go to settings and then go to the inhale pressure first, and then press the modify. Now increase your pressure to 35 and then press OK. And then now go to exhale pressure, modify again, and then do the 35 again, and then press OK. And then finish. Good. So now you can press the therapy and you are using 35. After doing it, you go back to settings and then go to inhale pressure again and put back your pressure to 30. Then press OK. Then go to exhale and put it back to 30 again. And then OK. And then finish. So